Number 1.
1987 Ford F150, price $6,500, well-kept classic pickup equipped with a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering dependable power and comfortable everyday driving. This particular truck features dual fuel tanks, allowing for extended driving range, and a 4x2 drivetrain that provides reliable performance for regular road use. It shows 95,800 miles on the odometer and comes finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive vintage look. Overall, the truck presents very well. The interior remains clean, with only minor fading visible on the seats, while the exterior is in great overall shape, showing just a few small dings and light scratches consistent with its age. Underneath, the truck is rust-free and well-maintained, recently treated with a fresh undercoating for added protection.
Number 2.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,750. This example has 187,000 original miles and is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4WD system, providing strong performance and dependable traction in various driving conditions. The truck features a black exterior combined with a gray interior, giving it a timeless and clean appearance that still looks great for its age. Inside, the cabin offers convenient features such as power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning, making it comfortable and practical for everyday use. The interior and exterior have been kept clean and well cared for, showing pride of ownership. In addition, the truck is equipped with good tires and brakes all around, helping ensure it is ready for the road. Overall, this Chevrolet runs and drives well with no known issues or mechanical problems, making it a dependable classic pickup.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F150, price $7,999. Well-maintained full-size pickup equipped with a strong 5.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has only 81,000 miles and runs and drives great, offering reliable performance both on the road and off-road. Finished in a black exterior with a gray interior, the truck comes well equipped with power windows, power locks, and air conditioning for added comfort. It has also received several recent upgrades and maintenance items, including new brakes, a new fuel pump, new tires, a new distributor with spark plugs and wires, a new mass airflow sensor, and a new 4x4 actuator. Overall, this F-150 presents itself as a solid and dependable pickup with desirable features, strong V8 power, and recent mechanical updates that make it ready for daily driving or work duties.
Number 4.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950. It has traveled only 73,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a gray exterior with a black cloth interior, this gasoline-powered truck is known for its reliability and practical design. Under the hood, it features the durable 4.3-liter V6 engine, a well-regarded motor that delivers solid performance and long-term dependability. This truck runs and drives great and is described as a reliable option for everyday use or work. It comes with manual windows and manual door locks, along with convenient features such as a tilt steering wheel and cruise control for comfortable driving. The interior is clean and fitted with nice cloth seats, while the factory AM/FM radio provides simple entertainment on the road. It also sits on a brand new set of Michelin tires.
Number 5.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, classic pickup that is currently used as a daily driver and is known for its reliability. It has traveled 104,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a gold exterior paired with a black interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 SBC engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a popular and dependable drivetrain combination for classic Chevrolet trucks. The vehicle has a clean title and is being sold as is. Several maintenance items have already been addressed, including new tires, front brakes, headlights, fresh oil, transmission fluid service, a new fuel pump, serpentine belts, and new spark plugs. These updates help keep the truck running smoothly and make it a dependable classic pickup for regular driving.
Number 6.
1986 GMC 1500, price $9,000. Presented as a mostly original classic pickup that has been preserved much the way it left the factory around 40 years ago. It is powered by its original 305 V8 engine paired with the factory automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck shows approximately 99,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting relatively low mileage for its age. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a classic and period-correct look. Overall, the truck remains largely untouched and retains its original drivetrain, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts who appreciate authenticity. It runs well and would be a great candidate for someone looking for a solid restoration project while still having a running and driving classic pickup.
Number 7. 1983 Nissan Datsun, price $9,500, finished in blue with a gray interior. The truck is reported to have zero structural rust. It features several upgrades, including new brakes and rotors, a new aluminum radiator, Isuzu rodeo seats, and an interior improved with sound deadening and reupholstered door panels. Performance upgrades include a Weber 3838 carburetor, custom cold air intake, and a 2.2L aluminum valve cover, along with recent replacements such as the distributor, oil pump, oil pan gasket, and NGK plugs and wires. Additional features include a grand steering wheel, thrush muffler, aux beam light control, and a double DAN head unit with backup camera, 12 subwoofer, and Kenwood amplifier.
It also comes with a Brahma raised canopy, bull bars with the original winch, an extra 2.4L valve cover, and a collection of service manuals.
Number 8.
1978 Dodge D150, price $9,000, well-preserved classic pickup showing approximately 80,000 miles. It is powered by a 318 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive, and features a tan exterior with a brown interior. The original interior remains in very nice condition, with the only repair needed being the driver's side lower seat cushion upholstery. The truck runs and drives well, and the front grille is in excellent shape, which is increasingly hard to find for these trucks. It also comes equipped with a custom front bumper and a Ramsey winch, while the body only shows a few minor dents that could be easily straightened. Overall, it presents as a solid and well-kept example of this classic Dodge pickup.
Number 9.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $2,700, it runs and drives well, making it a practical option for everyday use or light work. This truck has 107,000 original miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a gasoline engine. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior, along with manual windows for a simple and durable setup. According to the seller, the truck starts easily, shifts smoothly, and does not leak any fluids. The tires are in good condition, and overall it is described as a dependable truck that gets the job done. The vehicle also comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1995 Nissan Frontier, price $4,800, powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. It features a white exterior with a blue interior, giving the truck a classic and clean look. This standard 4x4 truck runs very well and has relatively low mileage for its age. It comes equipped with brand new Michelin tires on all 4 wheels, providing solid traction and ride quality. The truck also includes practical features such as working air conditioning and heater, electric mirrors, and a tow hitch, making it suitable for both daily driving and light hauling. Both the interior and exterior are in very good condition, showing that the vehicle has been well cared for. All gauges are functioning properly, however, the speedometer is currently not working and does not display the vehicle's speed.